Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to talk about some things you can do with your camper when it's hot outside. So we're here in the Midwest and we're experiencing some hot temperatures. So it's hot in campers when we open them up and bring them up here to do our videos, to work on them, whatever it may be. So things that you want to think about before you go camping are things like your refrigerator. Now if you've got a residential style that can be turned on and off, or if you have a regular RV refrigerator, things that you can do with it is turn it on a couple days in advance. Get that thing cold before you leave. That's a good practice whether it's hot out or not. But if you can get your refrigerator cold at your house or your storage place, wherever it may be, then you're not worrying about having to let that get cold when you get to your campground. Other things that you can do, if you have the ability to run your air conditioner before you leave, I'm not saying it's going to help tremendously, but if you have a short trip, let's say you're going a half hour or an hour down the road, if you can get it cold before you leave, that might help out as well. Other things that you can do with your camper to help get it cool, if you don't have the ability to use an air conditioner prior to leaving, is roof vent covers. We'll show you a picture of what that is in the video, but roof vent covers can be installed on any camper that has a roof vent in any area, and that allows you to leave your vents open while you travel. So if you're traveling through rain or whatever it may be, you're at least getting airflow through the camper, so that way when you get to where you're going, it's not 110 inside and it's not super hot. Because when you get there, especially if it's been a long travel, you don't want to be grumpy, you don't want to be, oh, it's miserable and I walk into this really hot camper and it takes forever to get cool. So roof vent covers are definitely a good idea to think about when you're traveling down the road. But those are some big keys that you can do to help yourself on hot days. Get your refrigerator cold, that way when you get to where you're going, you're not waiting on it to take even longer. Cool off the camper as much as you can, leave your blinds down, run your AC if you can, and definitely think about roof vent covers. One thing for all those guys out there, if you've got a roof vent over your bed, I've always been told that it's always your fault if it rains in on that bed, so roof vent cover will prevent that for you. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.